The paradox of choice, how too many options make life harder. Ever find yourself stuck in a store, staring at a shelf full of options, feeling completely overwhelmed? You think having more choices would be great, but somehow it's harder to pick. Well, that's the paradox of choice. Let's dive into why more options might be making your life harder, not easier. Imagine you walk into a supermarket and you see two sections of jam. In one section, there are 24 types of jam. In the other, only 6. Seems like the 24 options would give you more freedom, right? But here's the kicker. The results might surprise you. In the first experiment, 60% of people were drawn to the 24 jams, but only 3% actually bought anything. On the flip side, in the section with just 6 options, only 40% of people were interested, but 30% of them made a purchase. In other words, fewer choices meant more sales. So what's going on here? You'd think more choices would make us happier, but too many options create something called decision fatigue. The more choices we have, the harder it is to choose, leading to confusion, frustration, and even regret. It's a mental overload, and it's happening every time we're faced with endless options. Let's talk about real-life examples, especially in the world of dating. Back in the day, you met potential partners through friends, at work, or in your local community. Your choices were limited, but that made it easier to make a decision. Fast forward to today and you're swiping on dating apps with hundreds of potential matches. You'd think it'd be easier to find the right one, right? But actually, the paradox of choice is in full swing. The more options you have, the harder it becomes to commit to any one person. And the more you swipe, the more you compare, leading to dissatisfaction with your final choice. Let's break it down. With fewer choices, it's easier to weigh the pros and cons. You can be happy with your decision because you didn't feel overwhelmed. But with more options, you're constantly wondering, did I make the right choice? Could there be something better out there? The result? Even if you make a great choice, you end up doubting yourself. We've all heard of FOMO, or the fear of missing out. But when we have too many choices, FOMO goes into overdrive. The fear that there's something better out there makes it hard to be satisfied with what we have. That's why we often end up questioning our decisions, even if they were great choices in the first place. Here's the worst part. Having too many choices sometimes leads to no choice at all. We're so overwhelmed by options that we freeze and do nothing. Sound familiar? Whether it's choosing a movie to watch, a restaurant to eat at, or even deciding what career path to follow, too many choices can paralyze us into inaction. So, how do we escape this trap? The key is to limit options. Studies show that when we have fewer choices, we make decisions faster with less stress, and we feel more satisfied with our choices. That's why simplifying your options can actually lead to a better, more fulfilling life. Here are a few practical tips to avoid being overwhelmed by too many choices. Limit your options. Narrow down your choices to a few good ones. Set clear goals. Know exactly what you're looking for so you don't get distracted. Trust your instincts. Don't overthink your decision. Go with what feels right. Embrace imperfection. Understand that no decision is perfect, and that's okay. So next time you're stuck in front of a screen, a menu, or any choice, remember, less is more. Simplify your decisions, trust your gut, and enjoy the freedom that comes from making a choice without regret. You might just be surprised at how much easier life becomes. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more content that helps you make smarter decisions and live your best life.